Today is March 25th, and today is the day that the laundry machine is finally getting recalled. Best Buy is going to deliver the new laundry machine, and I'm going to mail in this recall paper so that Samsung can give us $825 back. Time to get this all over with. Been about 2 weeks since this laundry machine delivery wait has been going on. Top loading one's got to go, and a new front loading one is going to be coming in. Alright, the old laundry machine is gone. Disconnected all the hoses and in comes the new one.
You ready? Yeah. Beast mode it. Go. Oh yeah, this machine's heavier than the other one. Beast mode, Joseph. We're almost there.
You got it.
Everything's running great.
Right, the new laundry machine is installed. Looks nice. Morning, it is springtime. There's a lot of wind blowing around, and I think today would be a good day to capture some time lapses of clouds.